Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best Dog DNA Tests is probably one of the most exciting and insightful tools available for pet parents today, offering a fascinating glimpse into your furry friend's genetic makeup, revealing their breed origins, potential health predispositions, and even uncovering surprising traits that might explain their unique behaviors and personality quirks, ultimately deepening the bond you share with your canine companion. Number 5. Wisdom Panel Breed Discovery Dog DNA Kit. Discover your dog's unique genetic makeup with the most accurate breed identification available. Screen for over 365 breeds to understand their ancestry down to 1%. Ensure your dog's well-being by testing for medication sensitivities. You'll know if they might have a negative reaction to common drugs, allowing for safer care. Find out if your dog has relatives in our extensive database. With millions of dogs tested, you can see their photos, compare DNA, and even connect with them. Trace your dog's family tree back 3 generations to understand their breed mix. Gain insights into their behavioral tendencies to better understand their unique personality. Join over 5 million pet owners in 50-plus countries who trust our service. Our quick, painless process delivers fast, accurate results for reliable insights. What we like. If you're looking for the most precise breed identification, this is the one. It screens over 365 breeds with incredible accuracy, down to 1%. If you also want to know about potential medication sensitivities and connect with relatives, this kit offers comprehensive insights. What people say. The test kit was easy to use, with clear instructions for collecting the DNA sample. Results were delivered quickly and provided a detailed breakdown of breed composition. The online platform was user-friendly and offered interesting insights into potential health predispositions. Number 4. Embark Breed and Health Kit. Discover over 270 genetic health conditions and gain actionable insights to provide the best possible care for your furry friend. Knowing their risks allows for early intervention and a personalized care plan with your vet. Identify your dog's breed with unparalleled accuracy, testing for over 400 breeds. Our research-grade platform, developed with Cornell University, provides the most precise breed breakdown available. Explore 55 physical traits, from size and coat to grooming needs. Understanding these characteristics in advance empowers you to be a more informed and prepared pet owner. Get personalized insights into your dog's risk for 4 allergy types: environmental, food, contact, and flea. Receive expert tips to help manage or prevent allergies and keep them comfortable. Uncover which of your dog's instincts are tied to their breed mix and which are uniquely theirs. Explore the fascinating origins of their personality. Utilize the world's first canine relative finder to connect with your dog's family members. Our patented technology has facilitated countless happy reunions. Receive your results typically within 2 to 4 weeks with continuous updates. Our dedicated vets and geneticists are available to answer any questions you may have. What we like. For those who prioritize detailed health information, this kit is a top choice. It tests for over 270 genetic health conditions and provides unique allergy risk scores. If you want to proactively manage your dog's health and understand their predispositions, this is the most suitable option. What people say. The kit was easy to use, just a simple cheek swab. The results were delivered quickly and were very detailed, covering breed composition and potential health predispositions. I appreciated the clear instructions and the user-friendly online platform for accessing the results. Number 3. Basepaws Dog DNA Testing Kit. Discover your dog's unique ancestry and connect with their heritage. Our comprehensive kit helps you understand their unique traits better. Take a proactive approach to your dog's health. Our DNA kit screens for potential genetic health risks, helping you take preemptive measures for their well-being. Explore more than 30 dog traits related to their mixed breed DNA that make them truly unique, from coat color to size, and more. Beyond just breed identification, our kit dives into potential genetic health issues. This equips you with vital information for their long-term health. Trusted by tens of thousands of pet parents and veterinarians, our pet DNA test provides actionable insights to help create care plans for your beloved companion. What we like. If you're seeking a comprehensive overview of your dog's ancestry and potential health issues, consider this option. It covers over 330 breeds and screens for more than 280 genetic health risks. This kit is ideal for pet parents who want a well-rounded understanding of their dog's genetic makeup for long-term well-being. What people say. The test kit was easy to use, just a simple cheek swab. The results were delivered quickly and provided a detailed breakdown of my dog's breed mix. I was impressed with the accuracy of the breed identification and the health predispositions reported. Number 2. 5 strands pet environmental sensitivity test. Does your pet suffer from itchy skin, paw licking, or ear infections? Our at-home test can help identify over 280 indoor and outdoor items that might be causing their discomfort. It's easy to confuse sensitivities with allergies. Sensitivities occur when their body struggles to process certain materials, leading to symptoms like itching and watery eyes. Allergies involve a more immediate immune response. Collecting a sample is easy, just a few strands of fur are needed. Mail it to our lab, and you'll receive clear, easy-to-understand results in just 4 days. Our report categorizes triggers into 4 severity levels, guiding you on what to avoid or manage. This helps their body recover naturally and reduces symptoms over time. Validated for accuracy and recommended by holistic veterinarians, our test has helped over 345,000 pets find relief. Get the answers you need from the comfort of your home. What we like. If your dog suffers from unexplained symptoms like itching or hot spots, this test is for you. It focuses on environmental sensitivities to over 280 items, providing results in just 4 days. If you're looking for quick, actionable insights to manage your pet's comfort and daily exposures, this is the best fit. What people say. The accuracy of the breed identification was impressive, with results aligning with our expectations based on the dog's appearance and known lineage. The health screening provided valuable insights into potential genetic predispositions, allowing us to be more proactive with our dog's well-being. The user-friendly interface for accessing and understanding the results made the entire process straightforward and informative. Number 1. AncestryDNA Plus Traits Genetic Test Kit. Embark on a journey to uncover your origins and understand what makes you, you. This is the most popular consumer DNA test available. See where you come from with results spanning over 3,600 regions worldwide. Connect with living relatives and experience a truly interactive DNA test. We believe your genetic information is yours alone. You have complete control over what you share and with whom. Curious about your traits? Discover over 75 genetic characteristics, from appearance to sensory experiences, and see how they influence who you are. Getting started is easy. Activate your kit online, send in your saliva sample, and receive your detailed results in about 6 weeks. Understand your inheritance and family lines like never before. Get insights into your origins and DNA matches, even without your parents' participation. What we like. If you're curious about your dog's unique traits and where they come from, this kit is a great choice. It reveals over 75 genetic traits and provides detailed ancestry reports. If you enjoy exploring the why behind your dog's characteristics and want to connect with relatives, this offers a highly personalized experience. What people say. The test kit was easy to use, with clear instructions for collecting the DNA sample. Results were delivered quickly, providing a detailed breakdown of breed composition and potential health predispositions. The online platform was user-friendly, allowing for easy access and interpretation of the genetic information. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.